Hi, so today I am discussing in-toeing or turned-in feet in children. So we know that in-toeing is a normal part of growth in most instances, and that is why it is important to see a physiotherapist to check if the growth of your child matches how they're presenting with their walking and their tripping, falling, or coordination, depending on how their turned-in feet are affecting them. We know that there are options for special shoes or braces to help children. However, we also know that a lot of the time, in-toeing can resolve naturally without any intervention. In saying that, there are some exercises we can do to help strengthen your child's hips, knees and feet, as well as their core and their bottom and their back, so that it sets them up the best way possible moving forward to promote their feet turning out and returning to the natural position, or what we would call it. So I'm going to go through a few of those today. So swipe across and let's have a look at some of those exercises. I've got bear walks. So you want hands and feet on the ground, bottom up in the air, and then you're walking around, keeping your bottom up nice and high. Next, you've got frog jumps. So bending your knees, making sure your hands come between your feet, jumping up and down on the spot, forward and back. And we've got crab walks, so hands and feet on the floor, bottom up, up. You can walk side to side, forward and back, keeping your bottom up nice and high, not letting it touch the ground. Then you've got duck walks, knees out to the side and walking around. So making sure the knees stay out as they walk. Then we've got penguin walks, making sure your knees and heels stay together, feet turned out, and walking around, nice little steps like a penguin. Water, water, water. Then you've got tightrope walking, making sure their heel and toe stay in a nice straight line as if they're walking along a tightrope. You can even put a streamer, a piece of string, or a bit of electrical tape on the floor to make sure they can walk along it, making sure that they don't turn their feet in over the line while they're doing it. You want to stay nice and forward, making sure their heels and toes are in a nice straight line. Other options are you can trace your child's foot and then cut out that foot shape and place them on the floor underneath where they would normally sit, and make sure that when they're sitting, their feet are directly on top of where the traced feet marks are, so that when they're sitting, their feet aren't lapped underneath the chair or turned in. Try and make sure that they keep their feet on those footprints, and you can make it into a bit of a game, like, oh, every now and then I'm going to ask you to check, and if they're on there, then you can get a sticker or you can have a reward. Another one you can do is cut out multiple little foot shapes and then get them to walk on their footprints, making sure that their heel and toe match up to the footprints, so they practice walking similar to the tightrope